so great anyways. Oh, okay, here we go. All right, welcome back. This is Tim, the Poor Artist. I'm gonna work on these small ceramics squares again. Got a lot of these going on. Today I'm gonna use a yellow activator, which you can see I've already tested it to make sure it's gonna give me some cells. Not as many as we'll see how it goes. I put in a little bit more water after this, so we'll see how that goes. And I've also got some black activator too that I might use. So of course I'm going to use black, some white. Here is a nice beautiful purple. Okay, see that consistency? I like this purple. This is some more of the Crafts Smart paint. Then I have a cadmium red here. I need to pull out my cherry red, but that's Artist Craft too. Basically all my paints are Craft Smart, except for my fluorescent and my oranges, because the fluorescent is this basic acrylic. It's a Liquitex, and it's a fluorescent pink. There's a look at that. Okay, that's a little thicky. You can give that a little shot of water there. And sometimes you have to do this between pours. I mean, this is my third video today that I've put together. I like to spread them out when I release them. But anyways, this is a fluorescent pink. There we go. That's a little better. Yeah, because here I'm just going to do swipes on these ones. And green. There's a light blue. Incorporate that. Because I don't know if I'm going to use all these colors on the same ones. I'm just going to play around with them and see what I can get. So first, I'll start off, I'm going to do a white pillow on all of these. These ones, I can do them all at the same time. All right, let's go. Let's do a little bit there. There we go. Yay! Alrighty. Still feel that that's a little thick, but I don't know. It's all right. It's all right. It'll work. It'll work. All right. I really, really, really love this green. I keep telling you that. It's a metallic. It's incredible. Really get some good results with it. I really like using it. And I've also got a metallic gold that I should put in some more paintings. And see, I'm not putting them all in the same spot, because all of these will be different, of course. I'll put some pink over here. Let's just kind of do this with the pink. Pink is really, really bright. And I'd like to see what it looked like under a fluorescent light bulb. Got to try that, huh? I think we do. All right, it's going into the white nicely. You can see in the other one over there. I mean, there's no right pattern when you do these. So it's just kind of hit and miss, I guess. Now, since I am going to be using a black activator, I won't be using a whole lot of black in the paint on my pattern here. All right, let's get some bright colors. Like red. This isn't the brightest red, but it'll work. I keep dripping on that one. I'm really bad at dripping on my other paints. So, all right. I hope everybody's having a great day. I know I am. I got the holidays coming up, guys. These would be great gifts. If you guys want to make them yourself, if you want to buy some, I will put a link Still working on my website. It's coming together because people are asking about purchasing my art, which is just like thrilling. All right. Like I said, I'm going to play around here. See what we can get. Alrighty, folks. I think I'm going to try the yellow on this for an activator. I think I used it once before on one. So, can you guys see this? You see what I'm doing here? Good. This is a delicate part. It's hard to do. But, because you don't want to put too much paint on your stick, you just want enough to go over it. Some activators I've seen, boy, man, they just right away. Others take a bit. Well, let's do this one first. Go from here. Pull that right over the top. Oh, look at that. That looks like that's going to activate really nicely. You want to wipe this one off. Okay. Do another fresh one. Ooh. We'll have to see. I don't know. I think I'll like it. Oh, this is so fun. So, how many times have you tried these kinds of swipes? What kind of success did you have? All right, let's go with this one this way. Yes, ma'am. All right. So far, it looks good. All right. You guys can see all these. I know. I'm always asking that. And when I watch my videos, I know. Right? Still, you don't know. I don't want you having to like moving your head sideways and all like, can I see? Can I see? Okay. Here we go. This one here will whirl. Just really, really lightly. Yama, yama, yama. Okay. One more, folks. I'm going to do 2 sets. I'll do them in separate videos so you don't have to sit here and I don't want you getting bored. I know you don't get bored. If you were bored, you wouldn't watch my videos, right? I don't know. Okay. On there we go. Okay. That over there. We'll go across this from this side. Right across the top. There we go. Nicely done, folks. In our next episode, we'll show you how to make a mess out of paint. All right, let's give it a torch. Open up some cells. Or pop some bubbles. You know what? I'm going to do a little bit more on that one over there because I want to get this green. Yes, I do. I have a small knife, but I don't want to look for it right now. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the tip of this one right here, like that. You got time to work with these, so don't be in a hurry. I just don't have enough room because of my cage. So let's see here. There we go. Add a little bit there. You know what? I seen somebody do this the other day in a video, and I've been wanting to try it. I can find my skinny knife. There it is, there it is, there it is. And they were like lifting up and then pulling it like that. Look at that. Oh. That's for another video. Right? Or maybe not. See, like this right here? Let's pick this up. Come under here. And then just kind of... Oh, look what happened. Wow. Right here. Lift it up. Pull it back. Oh. Oh. It's not anything that's going to be bubbled, so... Alright, let's put this away. Let's open these up. So I'm going to need my base again. I want to put these on the corners so it flows. Probably really don't need it too much, but if you don't put it there, then your paint's going to stick on the ceramic and it's not going to want to flow. Okay? So all you're doing with that paint is you're just creating a place for the paint to flow. Okay? So let's get these out of the way. Put that up there. All right, can you see? Yeah, I know it. How can you answer me? It's not a live broadcast yet. Okay, let's get that red to the middle. I like that red. I like the red. That looks like that's going to be our centerpiece. So what I try to do is I try to pick out, okay, this right here in the middle, right there, that red, that's what I want to keep. So I'm willing to sacrifice the rest of it, or some of it. See there how slowly it's flowing? And that's all right. Ooh, I like that black. Let's get that black out there. See the black up here in this corner? Let's get that to flow a bit. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty cool. Get the sides. Okay. There we go. There we go. All right. I have a newfound thing with these little cups. And they work awesome. Especially with these coasters, because the coasters have a rough edge on the back, and they're kind of like ribs. So you have to find something that'll cover more than one rib to get it to stand up level. I'll show you one here in a little bit. All right, here. Go over here. What part here? Ooh, I like that green, so I want to keep the green in there. So now I'm going to flip it real quick. Okay. Like the blue. I'm going to lose all the fluorescent, but that's all right. Plenty of these going on. Yeah. I'm not sure. These other colors for activators don't work as good as just the black and the white. I don't know what it is. If anybody can help out with that question, I'd like to know. Because I have tried other colors, and it's not the greatest of cell activity unless I put silicone in it. And when I use silicone, if you've used silicone before, you will know that silicone leaves an oily residue. It's an oil. It's called silicone oil. Okay. Alrighty. Next one. I don't know if I'll have to do that on this one. Ooh, this has got some activity going on. Let's see here. Let's help it. There we go. Ooh. Want those red spots? Let's get rid of all this yellow over here. There you go. Keep the blue. Keep the blue. Like the black. Want the black left in there if I can. Alrighty. Alright, on that corner. There we go. Okay. Ooh, look at that side right there. That is beautiful. Slide it a little bit more there. There we go. Let's get the edges. Okay. That's pretty good. Still, like I said, it just doesn't come out the same as the white and the black do. And I have no idea why. So, guess if I really want to get some colorful cells, I'm going to need to use Floetrol or oil. Yeah, I've never tried the Floetrol though. I did use it a few years ago when I messed with this type of painting, but I wasn't really getting serious about it. But I wanted to see if I could do it, just playing around with it. And it's nothing like it is now. I mean, that was like 5 years ago. Get some to flow here. There we go. There we go. Yep. Okay. That one there's looking pretty good. Some different colors. But, like I had told you before, I can't do these according to just my taste. I mean, I could, but I don't think I'd sell that many of them if I did that. It's not everybody's got the same taste in colors. So, let's heat these up. Pop some more bubbles. Ooh. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Alrighty. I like that. Okay. We bring him for a close-up. That's weird. Looks like a bunch of cells. Hold on. Wow. That's pretty rad. Look at that. It's like 1,000 lakes. Wow. Guess that activator did better than I thought, huh? Okay, number 2. I remember all these have the same color in them. Just depends on how they come out. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Every one of them kind of did that same type of a pattern, didn't it? Like 1,000 little islands. That looks like meteors shooting through the atmosphere. What do you see? Let me know down below, man. Oh, there's a nice blue. Alrighty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, guys, thanks for watching today. It's time to clean up, so please subscribe, push that like button, share this video. Okay, let me know what you think. All right, God bless you guys. See you in the next movie, the next video.